Today we are going to review this mosquito racket that is coming from the brand of Edgemeter. So this is the box that I have received. I have ordered it from Amazon for around 450 rupees. That's with free delivery. And this is the product I have received. The seller is shipping it from Indore, and obviously I have sketched out my personal details. But this is the product. This is the box. The problem I see is the box is very flimsy, so it has completely smashed from this side. Let's see how the product is in the inside. Let's open it down. I think I can open it from here. Keep this thing aside. Let's open it. So here is the product. Let's see if we have something else. Nothing. So let's keep the box aside. And this is the product that we have received. Looks nice. The first impression is good. Let's see. I can see a paper here. Let me open it up. As you can see, I'm wearing my gloves because these things can be really dangerous sometimes. Oh, so as we can see, this seller is playing some cheap tactics. He has given us as you can see, he has given us a paper that shows that if you give a 5-star review, then we can get a cashback of 30 rupees. So this is a really cheap marketing tactic that makes all the reviews on the Amazon useless, because probably they are all like this. The seller is doing this thing that is really unethical. So it's a paper and seller has done this. So let's see the product now. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep this thing aside. Here is the product, and we have a charging cable. This is the cover for the same. This is the charging cable. As you can see, this is the product that we have received. It's in blue color. What I want to mention is this is branded as Edgemeter, but as you can see, it's just a sticker pasted over it, because this product actually is from the brand of Rocklite. This is manufactured by Rocklite, that is a Chinese company, and this seller, this brand Edgemeter, is just remarking it with their sticker and selling it on Amazon. It is very bad for a brand, for an Indian brand to do this, because they are also claiming it to be made in India, but this brand is Rocklite and this is clearly made in China. So Amazon should take some actions on these type of fraud sellers who are doing this thing. So this is the charging cable. As you can see, it goes in here. This is at this bottom. You just plug it here, and then you can just open it and put it on charge. It's not that long, but it's okay, manageable. The problem with this is pure current. As you connect it to the wall socket, this is AC outlet out here. So if you have child, and you can see the prongs are pretty much coming out. So if you have a child, or if you mishandle it, then it can be really dangerous for you. So please take precautions while dealing with these kind of Chinese rackets that are dealing with power directly. So please take precautions. For the same reason, I am wearing my gloves. So build quality is nice. I paid a premium for this. This is a torch light. It's not that bright, but it's okay. It's manageable. In the pitch dark in the night, maybe it will be useful, but right now it's not. And the switches are good, I must say. The plastic quality is also good. And there is a little panel gap here, but it's okay. Here also there is a gap. The problem with the quality and everything is they have got pretty good reviews on Amazon, but now because of these cheap tactics, now I don't trust those reviews. I think they are all fake or something. So let me switch off the light. It is doing this. Color is nice, everything is nice, fit and finish is okay. It's not that big, I must say. It's on a little smaller side. You can see my hand, it covers it completely, so it's not that big. So here is the standard buttons and everything. Let's see how good the spark is. I have put it on power and let's see. Oh, something bad has happened. Okay, it's working now. Spark is not good, not bad, I must say. It's just average. I was expecting something really premium at this price. I paid around 450 rupees for this. Sometimes it sells for 499 as well. So in my opinion, it's a no-go. Because of 2-3 things. The seller is doing this kind of cheap tactics as well as marketing it as made in India, while it is clearly made in China with this cheap sticker which they cannot even align properly. So I would say avoid this, give it a pass, go for a better brand. I have a number of reviews coming up. Some are already uploaded, so you can choose what you want. But if you are looking for something like this, exactly, if you like the design or something, then yes, you can go for it. But frankly speaking, the design looks good, but it's not that practical as well. It's a no-go for me. But still, I'll give it a test, and I'll share with you the long-term review as well of the same. As you can see, there is some problem here as well. You see, there is some cheap stuff, I think tape or something. It's dirty here. You see, maybe the seller has pasted it, it's damaged or something, I don't know. Anyway, I'll come up with a full proper review after a week or 2 weeks usage of the same as well. So I'll see you that one. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off.